Alright, so what's up? We about to walk into the Motif right here. This is outside of the Motif. I didn't really get a shot of the lobby, but it's a really nice hotel, man. Right here in downtown on 5th Avenue. Yeah, always good. I didn't get a shot of the lobby, but next time, you know we do. Holla at your boy. What up, y'all? What up? It's your boy, Mr. Vine. Mr. Vine's channel, Sweatbox, and we about to do this room tour up here at the Motif, room 1422. It's been a fun couple days. Let's see if we can get in here. Alright, so here we go. As we enter the room, we'll get a spun around here. Standard room, pretty small, but it's still very nice. This is a really nice hotel. TVs, a little counter area, a little desk space, windows. Look at the view. We were up on the 14th floor. So you got some really good views. Yada yada, very nice, you know. Look at all the trash. This is a lot of trash we had, but we were kicking it. So nice bed. We didn't make up the bed. Quick shot of the bathroom. Very nice bathroom. Huge mirror. Nice shower. You see they got the little dispensers for the shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Yeah, man. It's a nice room. And then of course you got your standard safe, all that, iron and all that, yada yada. On my Elaine shit. Down here, you got the mini fridge. They had a couple bottles of water, but we stored a bunch of stuff in there. Ice bucket, drawers, pretty standard. Overall, I like how they got USB ports by the beds and stuff like that. It's a really nice hotel, man. We had a really good time. So I definitely recommend next time you're in Seattle, come check out the Motif right on 5th Avenue. You know how we do. Until next time, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Holla at your boy. Peace.